Hello everyone, today we are discussing the infiltration load in the Trenton Refrigeration Load Calculator tool located in the Trenton Refrigeration Design Tools package, which can be downloaded from the Trenton Refrigeration website. This tutorial is a continuation of the previous tutorial using the same 10 by 10 by 10 cooler application at a 35-degree box temperature. You can see the calculation is already queued up. We're going to click on the infiltration load button, and what appears in front of you are three different methods by which you can calculate infiltration load: estimated by doors and openings, estimated by box volume and usage, and estimated by ventilation. Doors and openings and estimated by ventilation will be discussed in later tutorials. For now, we will focus on box volume and usage. As you can see, the program defaults to regular use. So for simplicity's sake, we'll simply assume regular usage, which takes into account a standard door. Please note that customized door additions will be discussed in a later wall load tutorial. If you would like, you can change the box usage from regular to long storage or heavy, but for now we'll keep it at regular usage. Next, you'll notice a category called Calculation Method. Now, to the right of it, it says Use Maximum. You can click the down arrow here and it'll show volume and temperature, doors and openings, and airflow rates, but we'll just use maximum, meaning it'll default to the category that has the highest infiltration load. So in this case, our total infiltration load is 1005 BTUH. We hit OK, and you'll see that this load of 1005 BTUH accounts for 21% of the overall load calculation. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Trenton Refrigeration sales engineer. Thank you and have a great day.